As the tool Excel to Tally is playing a very important role, it is essential that one must acknowledge the various features that have been updated. There are various advantages of learning about the overall working. This is a developed tool with new tech that tends to work with any computer. As this is new technology connectivity that is easier, faster, and more efficacious. The increase in productivity, processes, and activities require less time. The new software has the potential of making people's lives easier and focusing on solving complex problems. You can import data from Excel to Tally in just a simple steps with our software. To see all of your information, initially select your file and map it with our software. After that, validate your data and click to import it into Tally. Any kind of data, whether it might be large or small, will be imported and transferred at the same pace. This makes working with Excel to Tally software much easier. This will surely help with being more efficient and effective in working. The time spent manually will be saved by this amazing and helpful feature. Predicated on the tax rate and supply location, you can trace your purchase, sales, and GST ledgers. Users won't have to specify the purchase sale ledger name for every voucher once the tracking is complete. Every one of your financial information is typically processed from Excel to Tally, and it's extremely safe. It all tends to happen on your computer, so there's no need to publish or install it on a computer. There is no kind of breach in the data. Your information will be safe and secured.